been raining today in the Twin Cities, and what better place to take shelter than the porch of my newest listing? I'm at Bartholomew, and we're at 5340 48th Avenue South in Minneapolis. Let's take a look. The main level offers fantastic original hardwoods, a ton of natural light, and a stained glass window that's been with the home since it was built. Just off the main living area, we have a large formal dining space. This kitchen could not be more perfect for this home, with plenty of cabinet space, stainless appliances, including a gas stove for those who love to cook. There's nothing better than finding a classic home where all the woodwork is in mint condition. The upper level has 2 spacious bedrooms with nice sized closets and a full bath. This backyard is an oasis of sorts. The nice patio, ferns, hostas, beautiful maple tree. It's private with a 6-foot fence, and there's a 2-car garage in the back. Thanks for taking a tour with us today. I'm Matt Bartholomew with Coldwell Banker and North Star Advisors. We'll see you at the next one.